Hi guys, I just got out of work a few minutes ago and I stopped at the park on my way home just for a little few minutes of nature therapy. We got 3 friends up here. Seagull, egret, and I don't know, some stork related something. Anyways, I am at a park in my hometown Clearwater, and this is the oldest area. Oh, we got another friend joining the party here. Little blackbird. Anyways, this area is known as Glen Lakes. Oh, and we have an audience behind me. I love my birdies in Florida. I love them. They're so much like cats. Oh my God, especially like my cat. I have an all-black cat named Luna, for those who don't know. And she is the sneakiest little sneak that I ever knew. And birds are just like black cats with their little sneakiness. I love them. Oh, he's eavesdropping. They're everywhere. I love it. So yeah, this is Glen Lakes Park, and this is the oldest, one of the oldest areas in Clearwater. I'm gonna come out to the dock, but I don't want to scare these guys away. Birdies! I'm gonna turn very slowly this way and turn around so they don't view me as a threat. Anyways, as you can see, they've got this iron fencing going around the entire lake, so you can't walk up to the water. However, when I was a kid and growing up here, you could. So, you know, usual, typical, anything natural and naturally beautiful, they try to bar you or ban you from it. So here's a shot of the lake. Oh, the seagull took off. And I just thought I would share a little nature and bird therapy with you guys. Say bye. Bye, guys. Have a good day, everyone.